Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Base Camp Voyager duffel. First, ensure your duffel is completely empty. Lay it flat on a clean, even surface, smoothing out any wrinkles. Make sure all zippers are fully closed. This helps maintain a compact shape as you begin the folding process, making it much easier to manage. Next, take the long sides of your duffel and fold them inward towards the center. You want them to overlap slightly, creating a narrower, more manageable shape. As you do this, gently tuck any handles or straps inside the folded sections. This prevents them from snagging or creating unnecessary bulk later on. Now you have two main options, rolling or tri-folding. For a compact cylinder, start rolling tightly from one end, pushing out any air as you go. If you prefer a flatter, rectangular shape, tri-fold the duffel into 3 sections. Both methods aim to minimize the duffel's footprint for storage or travel. Finally, secure your neatly folded duffel. Many Base Camp Voyager duffels have a built-in strap or clip designed for this purpose. If not, a simple compression strap or even a bungee cord works well to keep it compact and secure. Store your duffel in a dry, cool place, ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.